Hey, it's Steve Albee and welcome back to our Walking Mortgage Education Series. If you've made it this far, you're officially 5 steps smarter than most first-time buyers out there. Today, we're talking about something that most people don't understand until they're knee-deep in a contract. Title, escrow, and who's actually involved in your mortgage process. Now, when you apply for a mortgage, you're not just working with one person. There's a whole team behind the scenes, and here's who they are. The loan officer, hey, that's me. I guide you through the financing part, from options to pre-approval, and coordinating with the rest of the team. Then we have a processor. Think of them like your project manager. They collect documents, follow up, and get your file ready for underwriting. Then we have an underwriter. This is the person who analyzes the risk. They check credit, income, assets, title, appraisal, everything to decide if your loan meets the guidelines. There's also a title company. They research the property's history to make sure it's free of legal issues like old liens, unpaid taxes, or ownership disputes. And then we have an escrow officer or closing agent. This person holds all the funds, coordinates signatures, and handles the actual exchange of money and documents on closing day. Now let's talk title. When you buy a home, you want to make sure no one else can come back later claiming they own it too. That's where a title search comes in. A title company checks public records to confirm the seller actually owns the property and that there are no hidden liens, boundary disputes, unpaid taxes, or even long-lost heirs claiming they own the house. Once everything checks out, you get title insurance, which protects you and the lender from future title problems. It's a one-time cost at closing, and trust me, it's worth it. Now, escrow is the neutral third party that makes sure everyone does what they're supposed to do before any money changes hands. They collect your earnest money deposit, loan documents, wiring instructions, and eventually your final payment. Escrow doesn't work for you or the seller, they work for the transaction. They hold all the funds safely, confirm all documents are signed, and only release money when the deal is officially closed. And of course, once that happens, that's when you get the keys. So the next time someone throws around terms like title insurance or escrow account, you'll know exactly what they mean and why they matter. Again, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff mortgage education. And coming up in episode 6, we're talking about appraisals. Why are they required? What can go wrong? And how they impact your loan. Don't miss it.